Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Fucking shit, man. Fucking idiot.
Emergency, you need police, ambulance, or fire?
Yeah, I just got hit by a car, and then the guy ran on me.
Okay, so go to a collision reporting center with whatever information you have and report it there.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right, take care, bye-bye.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Are we help or should we go? Well, we don't have time, but no, but is there a guy in there? You want me to look? Let me look for a quick second. Damn! Oh my god. Holy shit. Whoa, dude. Fuck you!
Oh! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no!
What the ever loving? Oh my god. Did it?
You want a blinker is? Fuck you. You have to find the blinker, you asshole!
What the fuck are you doing, you fuck? Learn how to fucking drive, you fuck! Fuck you!
We will talk to you tomorrow with some favorite mid-round picks and available.
God damn it. Really? Really? God damn
Josh
it.
Payton here, host of the Late Kick Podcast. You know, the dirtiest room in the college football dictionary is off-season, which is why we at Late Kick have chosen not to have anyone choose to have that in life. We got coaching moves, transfer moves, we got fan base mood changes, program whispers, plus the latest intel coming in and out of spring. Look, let's just hang out. We'll do it a couple of times a week. We'll take college football as it comes at us, cut out college football.